Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website where you give your voice and make money online. You have two options to join, one as a worker or to hire someone. For more information, watch whole the video till the end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is voices.com? Voices.com is where you give your voice and bring in cash online. Hire proficient voice entertainers easily. Join, allowed to post a voiceover work and gain admittance to the world's best proficient voice entertainers in 100+ dialects. To join, the link in the description box. Would you be able to bring in cash with voices.com? Voiceover payment. As an enlisted voice ability on voices.com, you won't actually need to stress over doing unpaid positions, in light of the fact that our SurePay administration guarantees that all voice entertainers get installment for each task they complete. You can undoubtedly see all your undertaking profit under the installment part of your record. What amount does it cost to join voices.com? The basic enrollment is free, which gives you complete start to finish admittance to our voiceover commercial center. How would you get into voice acting? To summarize it all, to get into voice acting on the web. 1. Get voiceover training or training. 2. Practice reciting for all to hear, continually, see our example voiceover content library. 3. Seek out free gigs to assemble your resume. 4. Record a few voiceover demos, everyone should feature a part of your capacity. Who is the most generously compensated voice entertainer? 3-Pointer Parker. 1. 3-Pointer Parker. As anyone might expect, the other portion of the couple that made South Park shares the best position for the most generously compensated voice entertainer working today. Top 5 best paying related voice actor jobs in the US. Employment title: Voice Architect, $126,689 annual salary, $10,557 monthly pay. Voice Engineer, $100,189 annual salary, $8,349 monthly pay. Voice Director, $87,059 annual salary, $7,255 monthly pay. Voice Process, $82,824 annual salary, $6,902 monthly pay. How it works. An outline of how occupations occur on the world's biggest voiceover commercial center. Commercial center overview. Voices.com is an online commercial center that interfaces purchases of voiceover with more than 500,000 voice ability. At the point when an occupation is posted on Voices.com, Ability sends a tryout and an expected statement to finish the work. Customers would then be able to tune in to the tryouts, select their favored ability, and take a shot at the specific employment. 1. Post a job. Post your occupation for nothing in minutes, and our voice match calculation will just welcome the best qualified voice entertainers for your work. 2. Get responses. Get top-notch tryouts in minutes and think about statements that fit your financial plan. Tune in to Ability perusing your content and pick the voice you like best. 3. Hire and pay talent. Recruit in a single tick. Pay by Visa and MasterCard or get in touch with us to mastermind adaptable charging terms. We hold the assets until you're happy with the work. 4. Download your files. Get communicated quality sound records in as meager as a day. Download your records from our safe stage, and you're finished. Item features. 1. Unlimited free job postings. Posting an employment is in every case free on voices.com. Begin by educating us concerning your undertaking and wanted vocal characteristics. 2. Auto match with talent. Our restrictive voice match calculation will consequently coordinate your employment with the top voice ability. 3. Private messaging. Secure private informing considers consistent correspondence on positions, opening extreme imaginative bearing. 4. Protected payment. Get ensured fulfillment with our SurePay innovation. Installment is just delivered after the last documents have been endorsed. The amount will my voice over cost. Making a record and posting an occupation on voices.com is free. Voiceover expenses change contingent upon the kind of task you're dealing with, and the entertainer you select. In your occupation posting, you will indicate your spending plan. At that point, the voice ability will give you a statement alongside their tryout. Your complete incorporates the entertainer's expense and the voices.com handling charge. 1. Talent fee. The ability charge is the sum that the voice entertainer cited and will be paid when your venture is finished. 2. Processing fee. The voices.com processing fee is 3%, which is added to the ability charge. Proficient services. On the off chance that your task is unpredictable, or you basically don't have the opportunity, voices.com offers professional services and we'll finish the undertaking for you. 1. Source the top voice ability. 2. Coordinate all task subtleties with the different partners. 3. Support with NDAs, contracts, and other lawful or merchant necessities. 4. Manage interpretation and restriction. I hope you all enjoying the video and start your online earning from today. If you get more videos, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to share.